Hey folks, Cameron here from Shopify Mentor Hub. Today we're going to chat about how to add product tags to your product pages automatically so then you don't have to go through and do it yourself. There's a couple of different ways of doing this. One is through the code editor within your theme. The other is a lot of themes these days have got a custom liquid section that you can go in and add liquid, which is the code for Shopify, Shopify's front-end development, and you can just go in and add it through that custom liquid section. Um, so let's just jump right in here. Let's just go through the code itself. So basically what this is doing is it's just creating another class in case you want to add some style to it of some kind. It's in a paragraph format, which is great for generally every site. And then this tags here is just basically naming it exactly what it is. So it's just, you can change this to anything you want it to be. This tags will show up before the product tags of the code when it's on your website. So I recommend if you don't want anything there, you can simply just remove it completely. And then it will just show tags quite simply. And then this section here, this for loop is what it's called. So basically a for loop is basically what it's doing is it's going to cycle through every single one of your tags and do this code in between it every single time it finds a tag on your product. So if there's 5 tags, it will run this highlighted code that I have here 5 times for each tag. So that's what it means by a for loop. This here is going to create a link so people can click on the product tag and then it will go to collections-all and add that product tag on the end. So then it will show all products with that product tag added. So yeah, let's go ahead and I can show you where to add this code. So I'm just going to grab this, I'm just going to copy it. This will be down in the description if when you want to do this as well. So let's go through the easy version first, which is using the custom liquid section. So if you just go into your theme editor and hit customize, and then we go to product pages, and then we can see product information here. We go add block, and then generally we just want to search for custom liquid because sometimes it can be hidden. And then over on the right here, you'll see a box pop up, and we just paste that code in there. So you'll see here, these are the tags that are on this product. If we hover over the section we've just added, you'll see the 6 dots pop up. The 6 dots mean we can drag it anywhere we want on the page. So we might just pop it under the price for now. And it's as simple as that. Yeah, so as you can see here, this has created a link with these product pages that goes to the collections and shows you all the products tagged with what you just clicked on. Fairly basic, but it's great if you want to further cross-link your products and whatnot. Yeah. And then let's go through and I'll show you where you can add it in the code editor. So if you click on the 3 dots and hit edit code. Now generally I'm on a very by default just a general theme right now, but generally you will always find main product or something along those lines. The main product is simply the page that this product page is, right? It's the main default product. Another way of finding it, of what page you need to go to, is these .json files that you see here. So if you go to product.json, which is always going to be your default product template, and then it's normally the very top one. So the main type, main product, that is the file that you're going to look for. All right. So you go main product. Cool. And now as we scroll down here, you can kind of just choose where you want to put it. So for block, again, that's another for loop like what we talked about. for block in section.blocks. So when the block is title, it's going to run this code. So basically when it hits this block title, it's going to run the title basically. So what you can do is kind of just scroll down here when price, like do you want it with like added to the price section? Here's another one. When inventory, there's just an inventory section. When description, when SKU. Let's have a look here. So we might just add it to the price. That might be a good place to have it. So we'll go back up here, when price, and then we look for the last div tag because that's just going to be the easiest place to put it. We're going to put it above this next when because that's when the new code will start. So I'm just going to paste it in there. And I might change this tags. We'll just remove this tags for now, and I can show you that as well. We'll save that. Saved. Refresh. So now you'll see here we have two because I still have this custom liquid section. But you'll see the top one has the tags removed because I just removed that within the code just here. So I might just hide that for now. So there you go, there's the tags just there. Now, in order to remove the linking, if you don't want the linking to happen, you will see here the link to. You can just delete this whole bit here. So you just remove that link to. Yeah. And you can also remove this assigned section as well. Now I'll just grab that and I'll show you that working just in here, just for easy accessibility. So you'll see that the links are no longer there. It's just going to show you exactly what tags are on it without linking. Yeah. Any questions or anything, let me know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, yeah, any requests for future videos or anything, please let me know as well. Have a wonderful day and talk to you all soon.